Opening a coffee shop business is an exciting endeavor. A coffee shop business is a potential endeavor that can promise you substantial rewards. If you really enjoy people and hanging out drinking coffee with your friends, then you may want to consider opening a coffee shop of your own. This is a great opportunity to have a place where people can meet to discuss politics, listen to music, or even just to read. Most coffee houses do quite well if the owner is in tune with what consumers are looking for. Today in this video, we are sharing how to open a coffee shop business step by step. Step 1. Deciding type of business. When considering the right type of business, it would be good to evaluate each one to determine the best one to get into. Here are the most common ones people usually get into. Sole proprietorship is the quickest and easiest way to get started in a business. A coffee shop franchise is a common option for some people who want to start a business. If you're thinking of buying a franchise for your new coffee business, you might want to consider other options too. You need to share some percentage amount of your profit to franchise owner. But you can start your own new branded coffee shop business and take all the profits. Step 2. Calculate required fund for startup. These are the costs to get your business off the ground. These include renovation, coffee shop layout, cost of buying or leasing equipment, and legal costs like license and permits. How much you need to spend depends on your USP you have targeted. After estimating the market size in your niche, you can estimate how many customers you can have as your monthly revenue. You can then estimate the monthly operating costs, which includes leasing, staff salaries, and utilities. You must estimate how much cash you need to sustain the slow months, especially in early months of operation. Step 3. Write a business plan. Many coffee shop owners do not realize the importance of having a good coffee shop business plan. A business plan is basically a document that lists down your competitive strategy and execution during the operations. The first thing you must cover is your target market. This includes the demographics, where they eat, and how affluent they are. Then you need to estimate the market size. This will depend on how big an area you think you can realistically cover. You must list down your nearest competitor in your chosen niche and their strengths and weaknesses. If you can, list down their revenue per month and estimated market share as well. Your unique selling proposition is how you position your business differently from other competitors. It could be your quality food, your service, your cozy environments, or your pricing. Give them a compelling reason why, and they will flock to your coffee shop. List down who is in your management team or investors. An experienced manager or investors with more than 20 years running a coffee shop is more valuable than new one. So it makes sense to have someone who knows the operations well. Step 4. Find unique business theme and right location. You must need to focus on theme of your coffee shop business. On other side, you need to find right location according to your target market. Target market research is really most important thing you should do. Just because there are lots of people hanging out in the coffee shops in your area doesn't mean that these places are profitable. It also won't mean that yours will be. Find out what they like, how much they spend, and yes, to the best of your ability, find out how profitable the other places really are before you open a coffee shop yourself. Step 5. Register your business. Check out your local business administration department and find all the procedure to get registered your business legally. You can also hire business registration service providers to get all the work done without having any serious troubles. Step 6. Buy inventories and furniture. For a coffee shop business, you will probably need industrial coffee machines and espresso makers. You will also need a couple of coffee bean grinders. You can save money by grinding coffee beans yourself instead of buying them pre-ground. Chillers are also needed at coffee shops to store milk and chill cold drinks. Sometimes freezers are also necessary. Typically, an industrial cooling system is needed, one that can keep items cool despite constantly opening the fridge door. List down all required inventories and furniture requirements with estimated costs to make your work easier and fast. And step 7. Write marketing plan to get new customers. You need to think innovative and creative when it comes to marketing and promotion step. Make something new, attractive and unique thing to attract customers into your business. Also write systematic marketing plan to get your marketing work easier for your business. Once you already have your coffee shop, you could expand your business by providing other services and products. This way, you could have additional profits and maximize your space. Here are things that you might want to try. You can sell books and magazines. Bookworms are some of the most common customers of coffee shop. There are the people who yearn for a quiet place to read. Just put up a shelf in your coffee shop to display classic and bestseller reading materials. The bookworms will surely check your book collection in search of a good read. The business plan will include your projections on costs and revenue. So you must write business plan before you start a business. Don't forget that you might be able to get local grants and subsidies to encourage new business. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos. Thanks for watching this video.